Let's show you what's happening outside right now at the Circuit of the Americas in southeast Austin. A pleasant sight to see, beneficial rain, and right now, no severe weather here in central Texas, at least for the time being. We still have some stronger storms pulling away from our eastern counties. The greatest cluster of rain as we watch this here at 4:15 is in Williamson County, especially east of 35, then also in much of Burnett County, dealing with just showers and downpours. No thunderstorms out there at this point. There is a stronger batch of storms, though, approaching southern Caldwell County, and this would likely pivot into Bastrop and Fayette counties as well. This one does have lightning with it, so that'll be the next storm to watch that may carry at least a low-end severe weather risk. Broadening out the view, though, our cluster of storms that arrived late morning and continued through the afternoon is pulling away. There is going to be some extra lift that develops and arrives as we head into the evening. That may help to reintroduce thunderstorms and possible severe weather. And then we're going to be watching the Big Bend closely as an area of storm origin for more storms to come in overnight into early Tuesday morning. So we think waves of on and off showers and storms expected here through tomorrow morning at the very least. Notice what our computer models does around the Big Bend over the next few hours. Some pretty nasty storms there. And as I take the view tight, you can see our rain coverage starts to turn a little stormy as we head past 8, 9 o'clock. When you see the dark reds there, that usually indicates more than just a heavy downpour, but actually some thunderstorms, and at least a low severe weather risk starts to bubble back up again at 8, 9 o'clock. And then those overnight storms developing closer to the Big Bend do try to get here as we head into the first few hours of your Tuesday morning. So make sure you've got ways to stay weather aware in the middle of the night. And then more storms may slow you down for the morning commute. Of course, the timing of these particular computer models is not perfect, but it gives you a general sense of rain and storm coverage overnight into tomorrow morning, going on and off, on and off. We do think by late Tuesday morning, we'll enter a drier period. And the most uncertain part of the forecast is what happens Tuesday afternoon. As a dry line and cold front move through central Texas, we may see some more storms bubbling up, or they may just be brief showers. But if we can get storms to develop, some of these could be very strong and severe during the late afternoon and into Tuesday evening. We think there will be more rounds of storms that come in on Wednesday, especially near and east of I-35. So still pretty active here over the next few days. So this evening and overnight, periods of rain and storms, severe weather possible, overnight lows in the mid-60s. And then your day tomorrow. Looks like the most widespread rain is going to be in the morning, especially early in the morning. Rain and storms will give way to sunshine, and that'll push us into the upper 80s. But some second half of the day storms are possible, depending on whether we can get enough of that energy to lift up as that cold front comes through later in the day. The severe weather risk tomorrow, say from mid-morning onward, is a 2 out of 5 large hail damaging wind. Isolated tornadoes a possibility, and we're at a 2 out of 4 for flash flooding concerns here tomorrow. But our rain and storm chances are numbered. Rain chances drop more significantly here for Thursday, and Friday and beyond we enter a dry period. So at least today, tomorrow, Wednesday, we've got to be on our guard, staying weather aware for the potential for severe storms and even some flash flooding. And then we enter a new dry period beginning Friday, continuing through the weekend into early next week.